No.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Is
sir.
on already?
Yes, this is on. However, sir, you need to adjust first the side mirrors on based on your
It's good.
preference. Okay na,
Good,
no need to adjust, sir. How about the
seat?
seats?
Where's the
No,
adjustment?
the adjustment is on your left side.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then.
Okay, so okay now.
Is this on already?
Yes, sir. How about the steering wheel, sir? Are you okay with it or you would like to tilt it?
It's okay.
It's okay
It's
na
too hard.
po. Oh. But because sir, hindi pa tayo naka-go. So, hold on, sir, ha? We'll change the chill light. Alright. So, sir, for the signal, it's on the left stick. Same pattern, left and right. Okay. And then for the gear, sir, it's here on the stick. So as you can see, sir,
Is the light on?
Yeah. So there's a reverse neutral drive and parking. So if you switch it up, sir, kindly press the brake. Okay. So if you switch it up, hold on, sir. Yan. This yan. So right now it's currently in parking. Ayan.
Okay.
If you toggle it up, it will go to reverse po. If you toggle it one down, it will go to neutral. And then if you toggle it lower down,
drive.
and it will go in drive. Now where's the handbrake po?
Where?
So there's no handbrake or
auto hold?
Yes. No. You need to press this one, sir. The button.
For the handbrake?
For the brake or parking in equivalent.
Parking brake.
Yes. So right now, sir, it's on park na po.
Then I remove.
You remove it na. No. You want to drive na, sir, diba?
Yes.
You need to press down it, sir. Yeah. One more, sir. Pinaka-push.
Okay.
Yan. So, sir, pakibaba yung signal, sir.
Which one?
Yan.
Okay.
So, right now, sir, if you put your, foot po dun sa accelerator. Accelerator. Careful, sir, ha? Kasi medyo maliit lang yung space natin. Mag-move na tayo.
Really?
Just in case you want to use the hazard, it's here. Okay. Are you ready, sir?
Can we go now?
Yes, we can na po. So,
now it's steering.
So, careful na lang, sir.
Okay.
We can go on the left side if it's much better for you. Pwede naman po. Okay? Let's go na, sir. Apak na tayo sa accelerator.
Okay.
Yan. So, we can...
First time.
Yeah.
Please show me, please. First time to drive an electric car.
Yeah. Okay. Sige, sir. Let's move forward na po.
Okay.
Careful.
Nice.
Okay. And so, dun tayo, sir.
Make way first.
Okay. Right, straight ahead, sir.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, straight, sir. It feels like you're just driving a normal internal combustion engine cars.
ADB.
Okay po.
On the 30th floor, yes, music studio.
You could ask him to drop by also, sir. If you want to check the car.
Maybe he's having lessons right now.
Okay po. Sige po.
Can we have a video?
Straight ahead, sir.
ADB.
I see. Very near from our office. Straight ahead, sir, and then we will turn right.
Right.
Yes po. It's really quiet from here po. It's really quiet.
Yes.
Okay, right side po. So you can see, sir, in this left side of the screen, you can see the people passing by, cars, even motorcycles, even bicycle.
Is this an invention of Elon Musk?
Yes, this is po. So let's turn right here po. So there's also a camera on your right side
Okay.
in case you turn on po the signal. Apo. Sir, what can you say about the handling of the steering
So
wheel?
far, so good.
How about your seats, sir? Are you
Comfortable.
comfortable, sir, with the adjustment po?
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn right po. Okay. Okay, and then on the next intersection, sir, let's turn right again po. Okay, let's turn right. Okay, diretso lang po.
So basically, the handling is like the same with the
Yeah.
Model Y or
Yes, sir.
Model S,
Yes, sir.
just bigger.
Yes. But the handling, sir, that can be modified again based on your preference. Like, for example, if you want, we will turn right there po. Like, for example, you want the steering wheel to be like kind of stiff to move. So, you could adjust that into sport mode. So, straight ahead, sir, at the intersection, we'll turn right po. So, you could drive a little longer pa.
So is this fully charged?
Yeah, it's 97% po.
So how many kilometers will it reach
Right
for
side.
a full charge?
Okay, so for the Model 3 Standard Edition, sir, it will roughly take you around 606 kilometers in a single full charge. Sir, please press down the accelerator so you could feel the performance. Apak nyo, sir. Yan. Press down, sir, para you can feel the speed. Oh, dito po sa side, sir.
Turn right?
No. Diretso po.
Oops. Oh, is that alarm?
That's the alarm po.
For the pedestrian alarm?
No, someone passed, sir, on your right.
Imagine that. Showing a video.
So there's the car behind us po. And then there's a truck also. Ayan. So that's the truck.
It's amazing. High-tech already.
So these are the adjustments, sir, that you can do inside the car. Diretso lang po. So this car also has a built-in dash cam. So it can record if you
that's what I saw into YouTube.
If you instructed the car to record, it has a dash cam po.
Park,
Yes, even the glove box, you can press it here, just like that.
Wow. Everything is
automated, sir. So, in the dynamics part or feature, sir, you could adjust, sir, the handling of the steering from light. You could adjust it to standard, or if you want it a little more stiff, you could do a heavy in the steering po. Even on the acceleration, sir, whenever you put your foot on the acceleration pedal, you could adjust it from chill to standard, sir. So you can feel the difference, sir, on the weight whenever you press it down po. Someone is going to enter the lane. Makikita
Okay,
yun,
go.
sir. Yan, so,
Autopilot, huh?
yeah, it has a autopilot.
Even in the city? So,
The basic,
in highway.
not all the feature of autopilot, but some of it we have, some of it are not available here. So what are those features under autopilot are available, sir? Just like the basic autopilot features like cruise control, lane assist, park assist. This car have those features. However, sir, if you are referring po to the autopilot feature like in the US, wherein the car can drive itself,
Yeah.
whenever you want to go, wherever you want to advise your car to go there, it's not possible here po. One, because the map in the Philippines, sir, is not yet
Is this Wi-Fi
gigabyte.
ready? Meaning, is this a unit with Wi-Fi?
No,
No.
sir, no. So you need to connect your phone via hotspot for the car to have a Wi-Fi, sir. Not unlike, sir, in the US po, everywhere is there is a Wi-Fi already, sir. This is the difference po here in our country po. So what else? So this is the lock feature, lights. So we could change the display po to light.
Wow.
Just like a tablet, sir,
Yeah, tablet.
carrying around. Okay. So here you could see the odometer reading. So safety, under the
So there's
safety.
no dashboard here, no?
Yes.
So what's the top speed of this unit?
Around 217,
kph?
sir, kph.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then the aircon, have you noticed there's no way you could manually adjust the aircon? Because it's in here, sir. Just like that. Just like a tablet, sir, wherein you could navigate it up, down, in and out. And then also, the seats has a heating feature.
That's for winter.
Yes, not
Are we
really.
turning right or straight ahead?
We will turn right, sir, on the street po. So, what else, sir? In terms of entertainment, there's a lot of features here. Yeah, earlier we played the light show, but there's a lot of features here. Boombox, colorizer, fart. So it will create a noise sounded like fart.
I thought it's you.
No, it's not me, sir. See, it made you laugh, but that's not me, sir. You want to jam? Someone's calling you and then you want to put down notes. There's a sketch pad. Or for example, sir, your car is parked. You want to play games. This is possible here as long as you have Wi-Fi connected here. So here are the apps. Still, just like a normal car, it has a Bluetooth, Apple Music, and the manual of the car is already built inside the software. So in case you want to read at home, get to know more about your car, you could just check it out, sir, on the infotainment po. Yan, sige, sir.
Where are
We
we?
will turn right po dyan, sir.
Going to Meralco?
I'm not sure about the street name, sir. Sorry. Basta dyan lang po. Very traffic, sir, dito. Pagka ganitong oras. Are you around the area po?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We can set, sir, the wiper in auto. So later on, if the rain
It can detect the...
can detect the
and it will automatically wipe.
Yeah, if you press it in auto po.
Mm.
Just like the lights po. Since it was set in auto, if the car senses po that it's too dark, automatic it will turn on. And then, for example, sir, you want to car wash your car. You want to wash your car. So you just press the car wash mode. Then the car will automatically close all the possible sensors, possible camera that may be affected if it gets wet. So it will automatically shut down, sir, when you press the car wash mode. In terms of charger, sir, the common question I received here is, Trix, if ever I forgot removing the charger, will it affect the battery health? No, sir. But in case that you made your car reach 20%, then that's the time it will affect the battery health po.
Okay, let's turn right now here.
Yes, we will turn right na po. Garnet Road.
Going to
dito, Ruby Road ata yun, sir. Yung street po natin kanina.
No, that's Topaz.
Topaz po ba yun? Ayun. Ayan, sir. Hindi nyo na-feel, sir, yung acceleration. Traffic kasi.
No chance eh.
Opo.
Topaz.
Naka-turn right na po.
I prefer this than hybrid.
Oh.
This hybrid you still have to gas up.
Yes, sir. And you still have to follow the maintenance schedule. And then it has an engine and a motor for battery. So later on, it's
So based on your knowledge, what are the downsides of this?
downside, the infrastructures, sir, for the chargers, because right now, since we are just on the first part or first phase adapting the chargers here, sir, can you turn right there?
Yes,
na
I
po?
know.
Maybe that's the challenges po, having an EV po at this early stage po. Because if you want to use the car on a long drive going home in a province, some of the province pa, sir, doesn't have charger. Sir, turn left. Pero if you will use the car po within Metro Manila only, then you could be at ease because there's a lot of charging stations na po. Please press the P. Now you can release your foot in the brake pedal, and
So,
now we're
engine.
okay.
Off. How to turn it off?
We'll just go out and
That's all?
Yeah. We just need to go out, sir.
If you cover my video, I will
Oh.
go out.
Wait, sir. Hold on. Okay. Should I stay here po?
Yeah. First,
Okay, sir.
how do you open?
Oh, this one, sir. You see this one?
Oh.
You just have to press it and then push the door.
Very different.
Yes po. Okay. How was the experience, sir? Comparing from the internal combustion engine car, you prefer this one, sir. Wow. Nice to hear.
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Welcome po. Let's lock. Sorry.
Okay.
But here's how you lock the car, sir. Just to show show it all.
How to lock?
You just put the key card
Key card.
near the driver's side.
Okay.
And then we're good. Sa loob na lang. Okay.
Okay.
So,
We're back in casa.
369.
May you see the light show of that Model S. Light show Model S. I love this one.